When we talk about human colonies being established in space, many of us probably think of Mars, and with good reason. However, there are several moons throughout the solar system that are seemingly well suited for us to set up colonies, and with signs of liquid water being present on some of them. We may find life is already there, albeit in microbe form. Here are 10 moons that human beings may very well call home in the future. Number 10. Europa. Not only is there a good chance that humans would be able to live on Jupiter's moon Europa, but it's also possible that life may already exist there. Europa has a thick icy crust, but a vast ocean is believed to be underneath it. It also has a rocky inner core, which could help to produce the correct environment to support alien life, be it simple microbes or more advanced living creatures. Number 9. Titan. Although it's in the outer solar system, Saturn's moon Titan is probably one of the more favorable places for humans, and one that many people believe we should be looking to colonize in the future. Although there is no water on Titan, the celestial body does contain liquid methane, which has even led some scientists to theorize that life may be found there that is based on methane as opposed to water. There are numerous methane lakes and rivers as well as vast mountains on Titan. Number 8. Miranda. Although Titania is the largest of Uranus moons, Miranda, the smallest of the planet's 5 large moons, may prove to be a better place to set up a colony. Several of the fault cliffs at Miranda are extremely deep, in some cases, nearly 12 times as deep as the Grand Canyon here on Earth. These could offer ideal places to land and set up a base that is protected somewhat from the outer elements, which would include charged, radioactive particles produced by Uranus' magnetosphere. Number 7. Enceladus. According to some researchers, not only would Enceladus, one of Saturn's main moons, be a good place to set up a colony and observe the ring planet, but it might also be the place most likely to already support life. Enceladus is covered in ice, but it has been observed spewing ice particles high into space from geyser-like jets. The best location to set up a base on the ice world would be at its south pole, known as Enceladus Tiger Stripes. The heat produced in this region is, roughly, equivalent to 20 coal-fired power stations and could be utilized by potential colonists as a heat source. Number 6. Charon. As NASA's New Horizons space probe made its way to Pluto, it also sent back amazing images of the dwarf planet's largest moon, Charon. Charon's surface seems to be relatively free of asteroid markings and craters, which according to the New Horizons research team, could suggest that Charon is an active world. The cracks themselves are similar to the lava tubes found on our moon and would be perfect for setting up a human research base or colony. Number 5. Mimas. Known as the Death Star moon, Saturn's icy, rocky moon Mimas may have an ocean beneath its otherwise unwelcoming surface, which may in fact be suitable for life. It's estimated the possible ocean would be around 24 to 29 kilometers beneath the surface. Scientists revealed that Mimas appeared to rock back and forth as it went around on its orbit. This could suggest activity beneath its surface. Number 4. Triton. Images and data sent back from the Voyager 2 spacecraft in August 1989 showed that the surface of Neptune's largest moon, Triton, was made up of rock and nitrogen ice. It also raised the possibility that there was activity under the surface, which might suggest the presence of liquid water. However, Triton has an atmosphere so thin that it would be virtually non-existent to anyone on the surface. Number 3. Ganymede. Ganymede is Jupiter's largest moon, and like other celestial bodies in our solar system, it is suspected that liquid water exists under its surface. Compared to other ice-covered moons, Ganymede's surface is thought to be relatively thin, and therefore should be easier to penetrate. Ganymede also has a thin oxygen atmosphere. Number 2. Callisto. Approximately the same size as the planet Mercury, Jupiter's second largest moon, Callisto is another moon that appears to have a vast liquid ocean under its icy surface and consequently great potential for colonization. The surface of Callisto consists mainly of craters and what are essentially fields of ice. Callisto also has a thin atmosphere made up of carbon dioxide. Number 1. The Moon. The first place in space that will be colonized is likely to be our very own moon, as well as being a good dress rehearsal for missions much further afield. Establishing a base on the moon would serve as a great launching point for missions into deeper space. NASA's main focus is to land humans on Mars. McKay believes they will not be able to fulfill that dream before thieves successfully set up a permanent base on the moon, stating that it would provide a blueprint for missions to the Red Planet.